Want to make your first $10,000 on YouTube, but it feels totally out of reach? I know that feeling. I'm making this video because a while ago, I also thought this was impossible. But I'm here today to tell you that it is, because I've done it. And I'm going to give you 3 steps to help you earn your first $10,000 online. I've created a free guide to walk you through the details of making this dream a reality. If you're able to apply yourself to these, you'll be well on your way to earning your first 10K paycheck from your YouTube videos. No more excuses, it's time to bite the bullet and start taking action. Let's start by breaking this down so that you can see it's achievable. 3 simple steps, that's all it took to make my first $10,000. Now, how do you make $10,000? Let me break it down for you. It's 10,000 sales of a $1 product, 1,000 sales of a $10 product, 100 sales of a $100 product, or 10 sales of a $1,000 product. What you need, the ingredients to make sales. First, you need an offer. You need something to sell. My favorite products to sell are digital products because your margins are so high. Second, you need a landing page. You need copy that's going to convert your leads into customers. And third, you need leads. You need traffic to send to your landing pages. Cold traffic's okay. Warm traffic is way better because they're already interested in your product. Let's go over some obstacles that everyone faces. It takes a really long time to make a good product. At the start of your content creation journey, everyone battles with imposter syndrome. Don't worry, I'll show you how I got over imposter syndrome at the start of my journey. If you have too many choices, it stops you from actually making a single choice. This is procrastination in disguise. It stops you from making progress towards your goals. It's really confusing at the start. You don't know what you need to do. Let me simplify things for you. This is what I did. Step 1, I found a product that I believed in. This removes the need for you to build an offer and a landing page. It also removes time to build, imposter syndrome, and choice overload. I found Sean Cannell's Video Ranking Academy. This is a course that teaches you how to turn views into money. And he sells this course for $1,000. And the best part about it is he allows affiliates to promote his product. And he pays a $500 commission to any sales that the affiliates send him. Step 2 is to start sending leads to the landing page as an affiliate. In Sean's course, he teaches you how to rank videos in YouTube search and use affiliate links to start making money from these views. So this is what I did. I made a review about his course Video Ranking Academy and had a good call to action at the end to get people to click on my affiliate link. If you're looking for a good example of a call to action that you can steal from me, you can copy the call to action at the end of this video. It's a pretty good one and it works, if I do say so myself. Step 3, let's break the numbers down into a plan. Now, to make $10,000, if I'm getting paid a $500 commission per sale, all I needed to do was make 20 sales. Working backwards, if I can convert views to sales at 1%, that means I need to get 2,000 views on my video to make $10,000. Then all I needed to do was to create a video good enough to get 2,000 views by ranking it inside of YouTube search, which is what I learned how to do inside of Sean Cannell's free YouTube masterclass. And that's how I made my first $10,000 online. If you want to learn how to make videos that convert into money, then I would check out Sean Cannell's free YouTube masterclass, where he shows you how to rank videos in search so you can get more views on your channel. If you're ready to take action, I'll leave a link for you in the description down below. If you just want to procrastinate on your future and your dreams, then you can watch another YouTube video here.